For beginners, the easiest way to jump into Spaces is through the Discover option. To get to here, you go up to the top under Spaces and choose Discover. And then you'll be able to see a wide variety of spaces to explore and choose from. You could begin by searching for something specific, although be aware that when you search, at the moment it is only searching the titles of the spaces. So instead of searching math or science, you may want to choose something like algebra or biology, just to be a little bit more specific. You can also search for spaces by standard, and they do have standards by state, although in New Hampshire there are not a ton, so you might be more successful searching the Common Core standards and then finding something that's close to whatever your state standard is. So you can go in and choose a particular type of standard, and then it will filter out any spaces that have been created related to that particular standard. So as you can see, it describes what the standard is and then gives you any spaces that other teachers who have created these spaces have aligned with that standard. And you can go through each one and then click on them to be able to see sort of a more detailed description of them. And you can even test them out to see if they would work for your class. The other options under Discover, there's the spaces for everyday use, which are the ones created by SchoolAI. SchoolAI has also created some subject tutors for all ages, which is basically you choose your subject and it's just a general tutor for the students. There are also featured collections that you'll see all through this section that'll change depending on the time of the school year. So in August, you're seeing a lot of back to school and professional development options in the featured collections, as well as the featured spaces that have been created by teachers. You'll see some featured creators who are specific people who have created a lot of spaces that people tend to reuse. And you can also search by your subject area. So as you dig into these spaces, you can click on them, you can see the general description of them, and then if any of them sound of interest to you, you would click on them and you would get a more detailed description in here, as well as the ability to test it out to see if it works. There are thousands of spaces that have been created and shared with teachers or by teachers and created by SchoolAI. So before you consider reinventing the wheel, definitely consider going in and searching for things that might work that have already been created and being able to make adjustments to those to fit your needs. Check out some of the other videos to learn more about how to customize a space that has been created by someone else and how to launch those spaces.